Hello guys, in this video I'm going to talk about what HP laptop line and model should you buy. So there are two types of lineups of HP laptops. One of them is the consumer laptops and one is the HP business laptops. So let's go through one by one very quickly to find out which is the best for you. So basically, it depends upon your requirements. For example, if you want to game, obviously you would choose the consumer laptops and use the Omen slash Victus lineup. And if you want very high security and durability, then you would choose one of the business laptops lineups. So, so that's how you choose basically. But in depth, let's go through each lineup. So the first one we'll talk about consumer laptops lineups first. The first one is Spectre. So the Spectre is the most premium type of laptop which cost usually more than $1,000, but they are lightweight, have beautiful designs and displays, and they are premium laptops, top of the line. So and the processors they are very high end, and they also have 4K displays. And so the models include Spectre X 360, Spectre 13, etc. The next one is the NV lineup or series. So NV is also similar to Spectre, but the only difference is that it's a bit cost-wise they're cheaper than Spectre laptops, but still they are very uh, high-end laptops. They their chassis are all metal, and if you want to save some money, instead of getting the Spectre, you can choose the NV series as well. So the models, some of the models include NV13T, NVX360, 15T, and so on. So the next one is the Pavilion series. Pavilion is the mainstream consumer series. It contains a wide variety of laptops. Uh, it contains both laptop and plastic body laptops, and they're also very cost friendly as well. And so models include HP Pavilion Power 15T, HP Pavilion X360. Next one is the HP No Name. It's the it's the least expensive laptops, and it's for budget consumers. So mostly their bodies are plastic, and low cost components are used. Uh, the series include 15S or 15B series. Um, Next is the Omen slash Victus. HP Omen laptops or HP Victus laptops are primarily for gaming. So if you're made for looking for gaming, then you should definitely choose this one. Others are only have integrated graphics. This one has discrete graphics. So examples include Omen 15, Omen 16, and 17. Next one is the Chromebook. So the Chromebook is usually made for kids or the ones which are fans of Chromes. Uh, so if it only has a very limited features and Google browser centric operating system. Models include Chromebook 11, Chromebook X 360, Chromebook 14, etc. Last one is in the consumer laptop lineup is the Stream. This is for usually for kids and adults who need a second PC. So they're very inexpensive. Their components are very inexpensive and with very less storage and RAM. Examples include HP Stream 11, HP Stream 14, and etc. So this was all of the consumer laptops lineup. Next we'll talk about HP business laptops lineup. The first one are the Elitebooks. So the Elitebooks are built for big business and they're top of the line. So they have extremely high security and durability. They have biometric and built-in biometric login option and built-in security software. They have self-healing BIOS and very durable chassis, which meets the high standards. And they also have vPro manageability, so the IT department can remotely update and control the laptops. So there are two series for Elitebooks: the 1000, which is the highest of the highest, and the 7 and 800 series are for mainstream ones. Next one is the Probook. So the e-books are for very high series and made for large businesses. The Probooks are for small businesses, and they're the most commonly used uh, in professional space. And they don't necessarily have very high specs, but they're still as good and will fulfill your needs. So this one has 600 series and 400 series. So 600 series are for who want a little less than elite book, but still want enough power. And the 400 series is the for smaller business series. So similar to the no-name consumer laptops, we have no-name business laptops, and usually they start from 200 uh, models, or for example, 2 HP 250, 255, and they're the least expensive of the business laptops. Usually they have the plastic bodies. So if your business have very tight budget, then you should choose this one. Last one is the Zbook, and these are mobile workstations. So, for example, if you are a video editor or architect or creative professional who need workstation level processing power but cannot be pinned down to a single desk, then these are for you. So these also have high powerful processors, uh, such as Intel Xeon chip, and also have NVIDIA Quadro graphic cards. The model contains HP ZBook 17 or 15. So that was all of the HP laptops and series and their models. Hopefully, it has made you to choose from your what you're going to buy for your HP laptop.